Hey people, so considering when I started my channel, it was all about trying to distribute this gyan that I feel is, very precious. So it's occurred to me that with regard to the kind of job we choose, also, we need to pick a job that is very unique to us. I mean, as in, we all have certain talents that are unique to us, that truly, like in terms of I I really, I enjoy reading the tarot. I mean, I've sat and taken down notes for the 78 deck, deck of, it's a Egyptian tarot cards. And then, of course, a bit of palmistry and this astrology basically is my field. So, so far I've been a content writer. I'm into writing and all. But then I tell myself this particular reading of the tarot is something that I truly believe it's some sort of calling, and it's a God given kind of gift. I feel, it's I've just so I realized I need to concentrate on that. So with regard to so many other people out there now, ever since this lockdown has happened and the whole economy is going to be in recession, so I think it's important to stop and really examine the talents. Like someone might be an excellent flute player, or someone can I have this very cute friend who conducts calligraphy classes, handwriting classes. So it's amazing. Yeah, I mean, and these days really children are badly in need of good handwriting classes. Uh, so really I would say, especially this lockdown phase has taught us that we have to like tap into our own inner genius that we have, and then everything will be beautiful. So really people, with regard to this friend who conducts calligraphy classes, if you all can post in the comment section below, I'll I can get you all in touch with her, so that children who want to improve their handwriting, I think this is a golden phase. Because I've just heard, just say urti urti khabar, that they are saying schools might open in September. So that is like worth thinking. So so truly people, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.